What I'd like to show you now is a couple of the tabs up here at the top, starting with the Design tab. When you create your Weebly, initially you select a design. Once you've done that, like with everything else on here, you can change it. I just click on the blue tab here at the top where my cursor is, and you can see I can pick different themes. Any of these themes I can pick, and you can scroll down. They're adding new ones all the time. Okay, so you can pick a theme that goes with the class or just your design sensibilities. You can preview it or choose it, and as you see, you can change the color palette or view the color palette. And it's just that simple to change. Okay, you can edit the theme that you've created using edit buttons. Okay, if you're not sure, just roll over things and see what it allows you to do. Okay, add Facebook, add Twitter, LinkedIn, and email here by just putting them in, putting the URLs in here. This is a new feature that's been added recently. Once you've picked a design that you like, you can go to Pages and you can create new pages. That's the next tab here. Okay, you start out with a home page, an about page, a contact page. Okay, if you want, you can move those around just by dragging and dropping them. Okay, you can also delete them if you like, just by clicking on them and hit delete this page. To add a page or to change the name of the page, say we didn't want the home page to be our home page, but we wanted it to be called our introduction if we were creating a web quest. We would just type in introduction. I am not a fan of the large headers because they create a lot of scrolling. Okay, you saw the landing page that we had. We can go completely with no header by clicking here, hit save and edit, and when we do, it'll take us to that page. You can see here now I have introduction, I have contact, and the title of my site here. We can go back to pages. We can add another page. Add standard page. We can name this one, again, if we were creating a web quest, we might name this one task. Pick what type of design you'd like. I like the no header. Then I can completely create it custom on my own. Hit save, and then I have a new one. And you can see now I have introduction, contact, and task. Go to pages. I'm going to click on contact. If I don't want to delete it, again, I can just change it. Make this the process page. Actually, it comes after the task, and I can put that there. Hit save. I've got introduction, task, process. Let's add a couple of more just so I can show you how to make drop-down pages. So I'm going to add a page, standard page. I'm going to name this step 1 in our process. Hit save. I'm going to go to pages again. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to hit or type in step 2, save. And now what you can see is I have in my navigation an introduction, a task, a process, and 2 steps. These steps are really not pages. If you know anything about a web quest, they should belong under the process. So I'm going to go back to pages, the tab here, and I'm just going to click and hold down and drag those in like that. And when I do, if you notice, now they don't appear in my navigation, but they appear as drop-down boxes. Very nice feature, easy to do. You can also notice hide pages. If you didn't want those pages to appear at the top, but you wanted to link to different pages inside of pages, and I can show you how to do that later. And so that is how to change the design, change the pages, or add pages. Okay, next I'll show you settings, and I'll also show you how to create content on your pages.